Looking for a quick, delicious and healthy breakfast recipe? This healthy egg sandwich is perfect choice. Made with boiled eggs and the creamy combination of mayonnaise and tomato ketchup adds a delightful taste. Whether you need a quick morning bite or an evening snack, this easy to make egg sandwich is a must try. So let's make the recipe. So at first, in a bowl, I am taking 2 boiled eggs. Grate them finely. Grating the eggs helps in achieving a smooth, even texture that mix well with other ingredients. If you don't have a grater, you can mash them using a spoon until no large chunks remain. Now, in the grated eggs, I am adding finely chopped 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of onion, and 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, and oregano 1/4 teaspoon. I am also adding 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now I am mixing all the ingredients well. Mix everything together, ensuring that all ingredients are well combined. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. There are more easy and delicious recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. Now I am taking a slice of bread and roll it very well. Now spread the egg mixture evenly, covering the entire surface so that every bite is packed with flavor. Now fold the sandwich. This sandwich is very easy to make and very delicious. Now heat a non-stick pan over low flame and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, place the sandwich in the pan and let it toast until the bottom turns golden brown and crispy. This process ensures a crunchy texture and enhances the overall taste. Now add some butter in the sandwich. Now carefully flip the sandwich. Cook until the other side turns golden brown and crispy as well. Press lightly with a spatula to ensure even toasting. Once both sides are crispy and golden, remove the sandwich from the pan and place it on a serving plate. Serve with ketchup, chutney or your favorite dip and enjoy the delicious healthy egg sandwich. Making this healthy egg sandwich is an excellent choice for breakfast or a quick snack. Simple to prepare and very delicious. This recipe is sure to become a favorite in your kitchen. If you enjoyed the recipe, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with more delicious recipes.